Hello everyone, and welcome to All Learners, your educational channel where learning is made simple, clear, and enjoyable. In today's lesson, we are going to learn one very important topic in English grammar: question tags. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what question tags are, the basic rules of question tags, positive and negative question tags, how to use do, does and did, question tags with modal verbs, question tags with different tenses, special cases such as I am, let's, nobody, everyone and there, common mistakes, and finally, we will solve examination-style questions together. So, make sure you stay with me until the end because the final questions will test everything we have learned. Let's begin.
Lesson 1. What is a question tag? A question tag is a short question added to the end of a statement. For example, you are a student, aren't you? The main statement is, you are a student. The short question, aren't you, is the question tag. Another example, she is beautiful, isn't she? And, they came yesterday, didn't they? Question tags are commonly used when we want to confirm information or ask for agreement.
Lesson 2. The Golden Rule. There is one very important rule you must remember. Positive statement right pointing arrow negative tag. For example, he is a teacher, isn't he? The statement is positive. He is a teacher. Therefore, the tag is negative, isn't he? Another example, they are ready, aren't they? Negative statement right pointing arrow positive tag. For example, he isn't a teacher, is he? The statement is negative. Therefore, the tag is positive. Another example, they aren't ready, are they? Remember, positive with negative, negative with positive. This is the foundation of question tags. Lesson 3. Use the auxiliary verb. The next important rule is, use the auxiliary or helping verb from the statement in the question tag. For example, she is coming, isn't she? The auxiliary is, so we use isn't. Another, they are working, aren't they? Another, he has finished, hasn't he? Another, you can swim, can't you? Another, she will come, won't she? Lesson 4. When there is no auxiliary. What happens when there is no helping verb? This is very important. For the simple present tense, we use do or does. Example, you like football, don't you? Why? The sentence has no auxiliary verb. So we use do. Another, they play football, don't they? But with he, she or it, we use does. She likes football, doesn't she? He plays football, doesn't he? Books Lesson 5. Simple past. For the simple past tense, we use did. Example, she visited Lagos, didn't she? They went home, didn't they? Negative, she didn't visit Lagos, did she? They didn't go home, did they? So remember, simple present does. Simple past did. The special IAM rule. Here is a special rule students often get wrong. When we say, I am, the question tag is, aren't I? Example, I am right, aren't I? I am your friend, aren't I? Do not write, cross mark amn't I? For standard school, examination English, use, check mark aren't I? Books Lesson 9, let's. When a sentence begins with let's, the question tag is, shall we? Examples, let's go home, shall we? Let's play football, shall we? Let's study, shall we? This is another rule you should memorize. Let's right pointing arrow shall we?